Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I want to show you how to make this awesome no bake cheesecake. Delicious, easy and with lots of fruits. I will start with a base and I'm gonna use 100 grams of crackers, sweet ones. They smell like butter, but you can use Oreo or whatever you like, and 50 grams of butter. I'm gonna crush these crackers with the food processor because I want a really fine crumb, but you can do the same with a Ziploc bag and the rolling pin and just smash them with the rolling pin. But I like smash them, crush them like this. Over them I'm gonna pour that butter that I melted in the microwave and mix it really good. So this is the base of this cheesecake. I'm gonna use an 18 centimeters cake tin lined with baking paper at the base, and on the side I used laminating paper that I bought from office supply store, and I cut it a bit taller than my tin. I will press these crushed crackers with a glass that has a flat base, and I'm gonna have this in the fridge for a few minutes until I'm gonna be ready with the filling. And talking about filling, I am gonna use 300 grams of cream cheese, 200 grams of whipping cream, 10 grams of gelatin granule, vanilla paste, you can use vanilla extract, and to sweeten this filling I will use stevia powder, about 50 grams, but you can use sugar, powdered sugar, the same amount or even a bit more if you want it sweeter. First of all, I'm gonna hydrate this gelatin, so I'm gonna pour over it about 50 milliliters of water and mix it with a teaspoon and let it aside. In the meantime, I'm gonna whip cream, and I'm gonna pour in this bowl about 150 milliliters, and the rest I'm gonna pour it over the gelatin. And I will warm it up later, but for the moment I will just leave these two together. Now I will whip up the cream using a simple whisk, but if you are in a hurry you can use the mixer. Important thing is the cream to be really cool. Keep it in the fridge until you whip it up, and even the bowl you can have it in the freezer for a few minutes before using the cream. I will add about 5 tablespoons of stevia powder, but as I told you, you can use powdered sugar the same amount depending how sweet you want the cake to be, and mix it with that sweetener. I will add vanilla paste, but if you don't have it you can use vanilla extract. And I will mix now cream cheese until everything is really well combined. And I will melt that gelatin that stood in that glass with water and cream in the microwave. Attention, you don't have to boil it, and it's better not to boil it, just warm it up really good to be liquid, and mix it really good with cream and cream cheese. It's gonna be a lovely cake, a lovely cheesecake. Make sure to mix really good that gelatin with cream and cream cheese. And I took the cake tin out of fridge and pour this filling over. It's creamy, it's thick, so I'm gonna have it in the fridge until I'm gonna be ready with the fruits and the jello that I'm gonna pour on top of the cake to make it prettier. Shake the tin to remove air bubbles and place it in the fridge. Regarding the fruits, you can use your favorites. I have here blueberries, strawberries, banana, so use whatever fruits you have and you like. I will add also 10 grams of Jello, transparent one, and I'm gonna mix these really good with a bit of food dye, 150 milliliters of water, and a teaspoon of sweetener, stevia. So I'm gonna cut these fruits in smaller pieces, in slices, strawberries and banana as well, and in a tiny pot I'm gonna pour the content of that transparent jello. It's a jello that's gonna harden fast. I pour 1 teaspoon of sweetener and 150 milliliters of water, and because I wanted to give a bit of color to this jello, I had some food dye and 1 drop of that, and I'm gonna boil this on the stove for 1 minute according to the jello instructions. Yeah, I read instruction. Okay, took the cake from the fridge and placed fruits on top of it. Arrange them as you want. Do whatever nice design you want on top of the cheesecake. It's gonna be lovely anyway. So after I arranged the fruit, I took the jello off the stove, let it cool down for just 1 minute, and pour it over the cheesecake. Now the cheesecake is ready to stay in the fridge overnight, if not at least 4 hours. The filling to harden and the jello on top as well. And I served the cake the second day. I removed the spring ring from the tin and the foil, and it's ready to be served. Of course, cakes are made to be served with friends and family. Their taste improves a lot when you share them. So make sure to share this cake in case you prepare it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Find reasons to smile, and I'm gonna see you here with another recipe next time. Bye bye.